Hey everyone, Lots House here, and I'm going to be doing a review on this Lego tripod. Yeah, I made it myself. It's DIY, so I hope it's good. It works really well. Right now I'm just using some books to hold my phone. Okay, so I'm going to be breaking it down and showing you how to build it. So, I hope you enjoy. Okay, so I'll be taking the top that holds the phone off. As you can see, yeah, it works. It's pretty big. It fits the phone perfectly, so that's pretty good. And yeah. Okay, so that puts the supported part. As you can see, it holds the phone really well and it's pretty supported and strong because it's got connections on it. This bit's the weakest link because it's just one whole long length and it fits my hand perfectly though. But it breaks really easily. It's 2x4 pieces. See? Yeah, it breaks. But that one doesn't break as easily. As you can see, yeah. Like, only those bits break. Yeah, this is basically a voice reveal, by the way, so hope you enjoy it. But, yeah. Okay, so now we'll be looking at the base of the tripod. It's probably the most important part since it holds your tripod and keeps it stable. As you can see, mine has a helicopter bottom piece on it to spread out the weight evenly so it doesn't fall over. Yeah, there you go, you can see. And then there's a flat support on there. It's pretty strong, but it probably can come off really easily. Okay, so now I'll be showing you the handheld part of the tripod, and as you can see how it connects to the base. It's pretty easy to grip, and it looks multicolored. So now I'll be showing you the supported part, and I'll be showing what makes it strong, and the connections on the pieces that make it stronger, and how it was built, because it took a lot of engineering. Okay, so this tool is very important, as you can see. It helps separate the Lego pieces apart, and is sharper, but not too sharp like a knife, because that'd be dangerous, but as you can see, it helps get in between the pieces on the Lego, which helps separate it. So I'm just going to be separating this piece here, because it's an important part of keeping the tripod basically stronger. It looks kind of like a staircase, but it connects on there, and it keeps that piece, the black longer piece, connected to the top better, so it doesn't fall off easily. It's like that piece, yeah, has the same thing. It sticks out, and then it connects to the top. I'm not sure how to describe it that well, but it looks like a staircase. Okay, so those are both sides, and that's how they connect to the support area. As you can see, yeah, it fits in perfectly, and they're all different colors. Kind of weird, I don't know. And you can see it without, it breaks as easily because it's weaker there and it's not connected well, but that connects it better. Both sides of the staircase connectors are important, just one isn't strong enough. So with both sides it's a lot stronger, only that piece comes off because it's not as connected. But I can't connect that, otherwise it won't fit. So now I'll be showing the other pieces that connect it, because I took the bottom half of the connector away. So let's just get the camera to focus. Okay, so you can see the 2x2 pieces that they connect it mainly and make it stronger, but they come off sometimes. You can see it connects to the sticking out black piece there. Yeah. Okay, so that's basically the connector done. As you can see, yeah, it doesn't break easily, so it does its job really well. And it took probably the most time to think about and engineer. But looking at the tower piece here, it breaks really easily. I just was looking for the pieces. I didn't have that many pieces left, so yeah. So I'm really surprised it fits my hand perfectly. Hopefully my hand doesn't grow too much over, otherwise I won't be able to hold it that well. But that doesn't really matter, it's just holding the phone. So here's a phone base holder. I'm just disconnecting it. If you like the video and you like the voice reveal, then make sure to like, comment and subscribe, so I can upload regularly and I know that you like these videos. Okay, so this is a green base that holds the phone. There's 3 of them. It's like 6x6, I think, but they're squares. Yeah, they all connect together like that. Yeah, but there's pieces over them, and it goes over the tripod like that. Yeah, one of them fell. Oh well. So this is sort of like the staircase, except stops the phone from sliding side to side, because it goes on the side of the tripod, where the phone gets hold. Oops. Okay. And that's the front and back holder, so the phone will fall forwards or backwards. Sometimes I have to make one higher and one lower to change the angle, and they connect over the green base like that. There's one piece over the side one, but it's mainly over the middle one, like that, and it connects them really well. The phone holder area doesn't need that much support, because it's already got support underneath it, and it won't break that easily, I think. Yep, it won't break that easily. And that's the back piece that holds it. I don't know, it's like 6x2. 1, 2, 3, 5. It's no, 7, 8, 8x2. And it's not that tall or high, because I want the phone to be at an angle. It's not going to be straightforward, it's going to be like angular. Yeah, it connects like that. And then these side bits go on the side of the base to stop from sliding. It's 2 pieces that connect together. Goes underneath, sticks to the bottom of the base. The phone base, I mean. So here's an example of it connecting like that. Yeah, it's not the most sturdy, but it does its job. It does its job. Yeah. That's just an example. Except the phone fits perfectly on it, so it doesn't really slide that much, anyways. Yeah, and that's the other side. As you can see, it will connect onto the yellow piece like that, just in the right size. Yeah. I'm just trying to get the connection in shot so you can see. You have to press down so it fully connects and isn't like loose. Oops, it's loose. It's loose. So that's an example of how the phone would go in the tripod. It's not it's super secure, I mean, because that's just not the right size, but yeah, it fits perfectly somehow. I didn't even calculate, I just did it how I wanted to, and I was going to adjust it. So that's the final piece. I don't know what it's for. Maybe if I want to change the angle, I'll put that and it'll lift it slightly up and won't let it lean forward too much. It looks kind of like, I don't know, a mini phone. That's why I put it there, and it looks cool. Anyways, I think that's the finished assembly of the tripod. If you liked it, then make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Leave a comment to tell me if you liked it. It wasn't too hard to build. I'm sure if you have enough Lego, it will be easy to build. It fits my hand perfectly, and yeah, that's just like showing how it would lean forwards and backwards when the phone's in the stand. Okay, I don't know why I did that. Yeah, that's my finger. It's pretty stable because of the helicopter piece on the bottom. Doesn't let it lean forward or backwards. Yeah, it spreads out the weight evenly. I hope you liked it. Bye.